I love coming to Vegas. Everything is centrally located, so it doesn't take you a lot of time to walk around all of the buildings.
It's really quick for me to get here. I live in southern Idaho.
The diversity of products that are available.
It's fun, for one. There's so many great industry events, so many educational things that are happening here.
I had no idea how many vendors were here and how large the stores were, and it's just exciting.
It was so wonderful to be able to have the scan and go registration the first day, scan and immediately get in here.
I like coming here because I can touch and feel everything, and it's so nice to be able to tell my client that I saw it and it looks good.
Wherever you walk, there's food, there are drinks, and you feel welcomed here, and I love that.
Hey, it's Vegas, baby.